We are experts at restoring a range of different surfaces using superheated low-pressure water. The Doff machine is a specialist piece of equipment used in the cleaning and restoration of brick, stone, render and other surfaces. The Doff steam cleaning method is approved by English Heritage for restoring old buildings and monuments. Carbon stain removal. Years of exposure to pollutants in the air can cause layers of black carbon staining to build up and cover the original aesthetically pleasing brickwork. Our trained team can restore the brickwork by careful chemical and steam cleaning techniques to remove the stubborn carbon stains. The Doff machine is used to help match new and old brickwork and is the #1 choice for construction projects when safely washing down brickwork, cleaning and restoring capping stones and delicate stonework, cement stains cleaned from brickwork, yellow stock bricks cleaned and restored. Our operators are IPAF trained and fully insured. We also have access to our own company cherry picker for use on projects to safely access areas when working at height. The Doff machine is also great for improving the appearance of residential properties, from cleaning your garden wall to cleaning your entire roof. Render cleaning. We can also use our Doff machine to safely and effectively clean your render. The Doff superheated low-pressure cleaning system is perfect for safely removing built-up moss and algae or other organic growth from all types of render. Do you need your K-rend cleaned?